In front of me is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and click on Privacy. Following that, tap on Permission Manager at the top and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Now just tap on one of your apps and set up the best option for you, allow or deny. I will go with allow, so when I go back, as you can see, my Chrome app just gained access to my device's camera. But you can always just click on one of your apps and tap on See All Chrome Permissions at the bottom. Now manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!